How to disable Microsoft Edge in Windows 11. So I will show you the perfect method. So let me start with the video. So first we need to go to the task manager. Okay, just right click here and go to the task manager. Okay, now we need to go in the processor and just come to the background. Under the background, just find the Edge, Microsoft Edge processor, sorry, that browser, and just right click on it and just click on in the task. Okay, so now this Microsoft Edge browser is closed from background. Now search for that Microsoft Edge browser in your search in app. Just right click on it and go to the open file locations. Here we have that file locations. Just right click there, right click on this app. Okay, let me open it again. Okay, right click on it and go to the property. Under the property, go to the open file locations. Here we have that location, so just find out that folder which has some numbers. So just right click on it and go to the rename, or you can simply click F2 and just rename it like this. Okay, and just continue. You need to provide administrative. Okay, just continue. Now it is renamed. Let me open Microsoft Edge now. So it's not opening, you can see. So that is how you can disable your Microsoft Edge from your Windows 11. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.